Good night, Devi and Elka. It's pleasure to meet you all through this virtual meeting today. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ningsi from the KZ Business and Creator Expo 2025 team. Our agenda today is to finalize an interesting partnership for an event with an atmosphere that suits the youth vibe. Focusing on digital business, we are targeting 500 to 700 Gen Z and hope this social media activity can have a significant impact. I also hope that this activity will run smoothly.
Good night. Let me introduce myself. My name is Devi, a representative from the Cbank Brand Partnership team. We are ready to discuss your requirement. Your team has reviewed your proposal and there are several important points we need to address.
Let me introduce myself. My name is representative from Radar Banyumas. We also prepared several technical requirements regarding the
Thank you, Devi and Elka. Okay, so that we can use our time more effectively and efficiently, allow me to continue with our main offering. As the main sponsor, Cbank offered three things. First, placement of the Cbank logo and the stage backdrop. Second, a 45-minute talk show slot. And third, extensive social media promotion, primarily utilizing TikTok and Instagram. For this purpose, we are requesting funding of either 10 million. For Radar Banyumas, we offer exclusive media partner status, providing a prime media booth location in a strategic location. You all receive full access and priority interviews with all speaker, as well as 5 promotional opportunities for your content through our social media channels. Each exchange with request 3 exclusive articles from Radar Banyumas.
Ningsi, we overtake the offer. However, with a budget of 10 million, we need the best possible presentation. We request that the Cbank logo be placed directly above the main stage backdrop in the large size compared to other sponsors. This is a mandatory requirement to ensure maximum branding.
we understand Sydney. We also need to guarantee the highest quality for the our media would be located in the front now, right next to the main stage. That's the only way we could get the best vintage setting for a live interview.
Devi, Elka, we will finally provide level 1 branding positioned directly above the stage. However, if the Radar Banyumas booth were directly next to the stage, Elka corporate team would block the audience and cameras view of the main stage backdrop featuring the Cbank logo. This creates a significant visual issue.
Ningsi, if our branding is hindered, we'll definitely have to reconsider providing the 10 million funding. We also need to achieve the full appearance we agree upon.
But we also couldn't separate with the quality of the photos. Starting with location, the value of the three active the offering would be drastically reduced. We had ensured our boat was positioned in front of the stage.
We understand, and we do now seek a fair solution. How about this proposal? Devi, we will ensure that the Cbank logo remains the largest and tallest on the backdrop. We will also add two more Cbank banners to the left and right of the stage, ensuring unobstructed visibility and ensuring the branding remain intact. We are still budgeting 10 million. For Elka, we will offer a media booth in the Busais main photo booth area, actually 5 meters in front of the stage. This location has very high attended traffic and does not interfere with Cbank branding. In exchange for this 5 meter distance, we will not be asking for post-event article, so just 2 articles will suffice.
Installing two additional banners on the left and right side of the stage to further enhance our branding is a great solution. We agree with a cost of 10 million and branding according to this new proposal.
The main photo booth area is in the strategically location, and the reduction to 2 articles is fair. We agree with this new location.
Thank you, Devi and Elka. In closing, allow me to reiterate the key point. The 10 million sponsorship agreement from Cbank has been finalized with the new branding scheme, and Radar Banyumas has agreed to the new booth placement and the reduction in the number of articles to be published. We will send the official MOU document no later than tomorrow morning. Thank you for your time and cooperation.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. In this negotiation simulation, our main challenge as a committee is to reconcile the conflicting static demands of Cbank and Radar Banyumas. Therefore, we chose a win-win negotiation strategy where we don't reject the request outright with a successful solution that adds value for each party. With this approach, we attempted to reach an agreement that remained within the mutually agreed upon limits. The ultimate goal was to score Rp 10 million in funding and exclusive coverage. Therefore, in the following section, we will expand why we chose to compromise on several issues.
Before the negotiation, we already had a backup plan to find another sponsor, but we knew the risks were significant as we could lose Rp 10 million in funding and media coverage. Because the risk of failure was so great, we tried to ensure this negotiation didn't fail. When Cbank brought up the possibility of lowering funding, we realized that they were in a strong position, as corporate image is their top priority. Ultimately, we opted for an additional solution: two banners on the side of the stage to maximize their branding and ensure a successful deal.
In addition to Cbank, we also faced demand from Radar Banyumas, who emphasized the importance of coverage quality. They explained that if the booth location was not strategic, the value of the articles produced could decrease. This situation required us to find a more creative solution. The solution we offered was to move the media booth to the main photo booth area, which remained busy with visitors. In return, we proposed reducing the number of requested articles from 3 to 2 with a lighter workload. Radar Banyumas felt that this solution was fair and eventually agreed to the new booth location. From this negotiation process, we learned that the key to success lies in flexibility and clear communication. Sponsor the two focus on their business profit and losses, while the committee is more focused on the continuity of the event. Therefore, we avoid asking for burdensome compromises, but instead for a mutually acceptable exchange.
Ultimately, all parties feel they a better outcome than their backup plans. This win-win strategy results in strong sponsorship and media partnership.